We strongly believe that the ICT sector and the mobile operator play a very big effort and a big role in the decarbonization lever. We all know the impact of the climate change worldwide. So that's the reason Project Zero in MTN Uganda is at full swing. We have managed to achieve 59% reduction of emission, Q1 2023 versus Q1 2021. We were deliberate in our data center and switch center. We were consuming initially around 85,000 liters of fuel every month. We dropped that below 60,000 liters of fuel every month. We have deployed a smart energy monitoring tools that gave us insight. And from that insight, we managed to take some key action that has helped us to reduce the power consumption. For example, basic action, cable management and cable rearrangement. When we have arranged the cable under the raised floor and in the ceiling, the cool air has managed to circulate much better. It's because there was no obstacle or challenges. So we have managed to reduce the AC or the air conditioning run hour. We have managed to increase the AC temperature by 2 degrees. This has helped us a lot to reduce the fuel consumption and the grid consumption. We have swapped majority of our inverter and rectifier to a latest technology. We have deployed what we call lithium-ion battery, LIB, that has a much better battery autonomy as well in the different data center and switch center. All of this has helped us to optimize the energy consumption in our biggest data center, which is Mutundwe and Mboya, which is more than 5 megawatt data and switch center. We'll go to the TowerCo side because the TowerCo actually process more than 85% of our emission. There's two types of towers. There's the tower that we are leasing through the TowerCo. We call them Scope 3, but those are not yet in our scope, but one day they are gonna be in our scope. We are working with our partner on the TowerCo to reduce the carbon emission. To give you an example, by January 2021, we had only 2,000 sites. Now we have 3,200 sites. So in 2 years, we have added more than 1,000 sites. And with that addition, we have managed to reduce the emission by 15%. This has achieved through solar deployment everywhere, lithium-ion battery everywhere that has a better battery autonomy, and changing the primary source of power. Before, a couple of years ago, the grid was the primary source. Battery was there just to fail over to the generator, and that's it. Now, solar is a primary, battery is the secondary, grid is the third source. And after the grid, the generator is the fourth source. So now, the DG run hour or the generator run hour reduced from 10 hours per day to less than 4 hours per day right now on the TowerCo side. The second category of the tower is the one that we manage directly, but also we deployed the same. Solar, battery, efficient generator that we have managed to reduce. Also now we have started injecting EV, electric vehicle, in our fleet. It's an initiative that has not been executed, but now we are in the procurement process to inject a couple of EV cars in our fleet that should also help our emission. Couple of projects are still ongoing. We are committed to deliver and to continue with that 59% reduction and even more. There's also a couple of POC that we are doing wind power production. Yes, in Uganda, we are not at the sea level, so the wind is not enough to generate megawatt of power, but we are targeting a couple of locations where we can put a wind solution as well to generate energy. In MTN Uganda, we are committed, and by 2040, we are going to deliver net zero emission.